Hey everyone, welcome to the Gourmet Code. Today we're going to learn how to make a delicious tuna salad. Tuna salad is a perfect meal for when you're in a rush, and it's packed with protein and nutrients. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 cans of tuna. 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. 1/4 cup of diced celery. 1/4 cup of diced onion. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Drain the cans of tuna and add them to a large mixing bowl. Step 2. Add the diced celery and onion to the bowl with the tuna. Step 3. In a separate bowl, mix together the mayonnaise and lemon juice. Step 4. Add the mayonnaise mixture to the tuna mixture, and mix everything together until well combined. Step 5. Add salt and pepper to taste, and mix again. Your tuna salad is now ready to serve. You can eat it on its own, or add it to a sandwich, wrap, or salad. And that's it. Making tuna salad is quick and easy, and it's a great option for a healthy and satisfying meal. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for more recipes and cooking tips.